Hello, good morning, children. Today, let us study about the rulers of the Mughal dynasty. Famous Mughal rulers. That is the Babur. Babur was the founder of the Mughal dynasty. He ruled from 1526 to 1530. His son Humayun ruled from 1530 to 1556, and his son Akbar ruled from 1556 to 1605. He was the famous ruler of the Mughal dynasty. And Akbar was succeeded by Jahangir in the year 1605 to 1627. And he was succeeded by his son Shah Jahan in the year 1628 to 1658. And he was succeeded by his son in the year 1658 to 1707. Aurangzeb was the last ruler of the famous ruler of the Mughal dynasty, and after his death the Mughal dynasty began to decline. First ruler was the Babur. He was the founder of the Mughal dynasty. Then his son Humayun, then his son Akbar, then his son Jahangir, then his son Shah Jahan, and the last ruler Aurangzeb. Today let us study about the last ruler of the Mughal dynasty. It is the Aurangzeb. This is Aurangzeb, children. He was the son of Shah Jahan and is the last well-known Mughal emperor. He ruled for long period, that is 50 years. For 50 years he ruled. During the empire, during his period, the empire expanded in all the directions, but at the end it declined. Now, some of the architectural monuments during the Mughal period. This is the Red Fort. Red Fort in Delhi, children. It was built by Shah Jahan. This is the Red Fort, one of the famous monuments during the Mughal period. It was built by Shah Jahan. This is the fort at Agra, built by Shah Jahan. Agra, built by Shah Jahan, children. And this is Humayun Tomb in Delhi. It was built by Akbar. These are the important monuments built during the Mughal emperor. We have learnt about the Mughal empire, famous rulers of the Mughal empire, that is the Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan and Aurangzeb, and last ruler of the Mughal dynasty Aurangzeb, and also the monuments, that is Red Fort at Delhi, then fort at Agra built by Shah Jahan, then the Humayun tomb built at Delhi by Akbar. Thank you, children.